So this is how you can create cartoons using just Canva, just the Canva app. You don't need any other app. So the first thing you will do is to open your Canva app, of course, and when you do, you search for mobile videos or any video at all. When you get here, search for elements. Look at the element tab under there, and when it opens up to you, I want you to type in background. For this one, I'm going to be using city background, so type in city background. It's going to show you so many of them. I've opened it already, so just follow through and then search for the one you want. Under graphics, there are different types, so choose the one you want from under graphics. You're going to see so many of them there, so choose the one that fits you the most. Waiting for it to load. Okay, so I'll choose this one, so pick it and then look at those 3 dots on the black area there so that you can expand this picture to set it as your background. Bam, we have done the step 1. This is the first thing to do to start the process. Now the next thing you have to do is still go back to Element again, and this time around you are searching for a man walking. A man walking. Type in man walking, girl walking, anything but something walking. So type in that, and then when it opens, so now just go through the list and pick the character that best suits what you want to do or your storyline. That's just the way to go. So I'll pick this young lady that is walking, and then I will minimize the character to balance well on the road, just like I'm doing right now. Now after minimizing the character, the next thing I need to do is to animate her so that she can actually move, because right now she's just walking on the spot. So I will go to animation, and then I'm not using any of the animation that is here. I'll customize my own animation. That's it. So click on customize and then move your character the way you want it. If you want her to fly, make her fly, but now it's just walking, so it's just a straight line movement so that she can walk out of the scene, of the setting. So you see, she has walked out. So I'm done with that part already. We have done that. Now we'll go back to elements once more and then look for birds, because we need birds in the sky. We need them to be flying all around. So look for birds, and when it opens, choose the bird that you prefer the most. That's just how it is. So I picked this one, and then you see that the bird is facing another way. If I want to turn it, I'll just go to flip, and then I'll flip it horizontally so that it turns the other way for me, which is what I want. Now in order to make the bird to move in the way that I want, I will simply animate it just the way I animated the young lady in the scene. So I'll go to animation and customize the way the bird should fly across the screen, just the way I'm doing. That's it. So now if I try it, you'll see that the bird is actually flying across the screen because that was what I chose. Now to have multiple birds flying in the sky, all you need to do is copy the same bird and place them in different places on the screen, just like I'm doing. It's not difficult at all. Just place them differently, and when you play it, you'll find out that all of them now will be moving. Now if you want more of this, if you want to bring this to life more, what you need to do is to add an audio like birds chirping or a bird sound. That's all you need to do, and you can do it straight from here as well. Just go back to elements again and then find bird sounds like this, and when you find it, attach it to your video, your content, and voila, you have it all in one place without going to any other app whatsoever. All you need now is just a content idea to create this. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to teach on next, and I will guide you on it. If you find this helpful, please share, like, and comment. Until next time, bye.